Hey, it's Amy with Thrive Nutrition RDN. I am working from home today, hence the glasses, and I have about 20 minutes to have a quick lunch before my next nutrition counseling client, so I need something that is quick, simple, and healthy. And that's just what the Mediterranean white bean and tuna sun-dried tomato salad is. So let's get cooking. It's lunchtime and I'm hungry, so I need something quick. I am making a Mediterranean salad, grabbing my feta, which is super Mediterranean, and we're gonna start with our white beans. So this is a can of cannellini beans, and they have been rinsed and drained. I'm gonna add them to my bowl. Now you always want to drain and really rinse your beans because the liquid that's in beans can be loaded with salt, so we wanna get rid of that. So we have our beans in here. Next, I am going to add sun-dried tomatoes. Now these are so yummy. They are sun-dried, which means the sugar is concentrated in them, so they're a little bit sweet. We want about 2 tablespoons, and I'm gonna add them right in. We have our sun-dried tomatoes in our salad, and you can see these are julienne, so they're nice and bite-sized. If you bought them whole or even in half, you would want to chop them. So to make this a truly no-chop salad, we want to buy them julienne or chopped. Next, adding our tuna. I have drained a 6-ounce can of tuna, and I'm adding that in. You could also buy the packets. That would make this even quicker, where you just rip off the top, buy the packet that's in water, and toss it in. So we have our white beans, our sun-dried tomatoes, and our tuna. Next, we are going to add our feta. So the feta adds a little bit of salt, a little extra nice flavor, and it's definitely a Mediterranean flavor. Oops, we need a 1/4 cup, and you could just eyeball it, which is what I would do if I wasn't making this video, but just to show you, measuring with a 1/4 cup. And this salad is so nicely balanced. We have complex carbohydrates in the beans, it's loaded with protein from beans and of course the tuna, and then we have vitamin C, vitamin D, all the wonderful things, iron in spinach, and that's what we're adding next. We need a cup of spinach. And remember, this is a no-chop salad. We are dumping everything in and it's done. So for the spinach, you wanna buy baby spinach because that's gonna be the smallest. This is not baby spinach. So if you don't have that, we're just gonna rip it. Use our hands. It's very easy to tear it up so that it's bite-sized. Sometimes we'll get ones with these really long stems and I usually discard them. But I'm not too particular. So ripping it up, let's see, we want about a cup, and a cup will be kind of a generous handful. So here we go, spinach in, there it is. Next, we'll just add the dressing and that's it. So instead of making a separate dressing, we are adding everything right to this bowl. It's a 1 bowl, no chop, throw it in and it's done. We need a pinch of salt. Just helps bring out all the flavors of everything else we've added. Some nice ground black pepper, about a 1/4 teaspoon, but I'm not measuring today. And then for the actual dressing, a tablespoon of olive oil, which we know is one of the tenets of the Mediterranean eating pattern. And then today we're using red wine vinegar, adds a little bite, which goes so well with all the flavors of our salad. Now it's time to mix it up, then of course dig in. We can see the colors. So I'm just finishing stirring up this pretty salad. Another thing I love about it, it has all the colors of the Mediterranean. We've got white, the green, the red. So pretty and so yummy. And we've talked about how nicely balanced it is, but it has 34 grams of protein right in this salad. So it would be one nice, big, very filling salad for one, or you could split it in 2, and it would also work as a salad for 2, maybe with another side of some fruit or some yogurt, or even a small little sandwich. So here it is. Let's give it a taste because I can't wait to have lunch and then get back to working with my clients. Guys, this one's really yummy. There's no chopping involved. We dumped things into a bowl. We seasoned it really quickly. right in the bowl. This is a winner for a quick and healthy lunch, and it's totally Mediterranean.